You want to see inside of this thing? Check out the links below for detailed pictures on our website. Welcome back everybody, High Tech Lab here. Today we're going to be talking about this Ames Power inverter charger. So this is a 1250 watt inverter that also acts as a battery charger. And currently this is my favorite simply because, well, it's simple. Here on the side of it we have an IEC style plug and a GFI outlet. And this is nice because there's pretty much no wiring required. This inverter charger comes with this power cord here. This is like a computer style cord with a slightly different connector. And all you got to do is plug this in right here and plug this into the wall, and it'll transfer over and go into battery charging mode. And when power is lost on this plug, this outlet will stay on and draw power from the batteries, and it can act like a UPS to power whatever appliances you need. Now, like I said, this thing is really simple. On the back here, there are a positive and negative terminal. And in this case, I'm going to put on this 175 amp Anderson connector because in order to have a simple UPS, you can use a product like this one over here. This is the BigBattery 170 amp hour power block. And here on the side of this power block, it has an Anderson connector. That was that cord I just showed you. So literally all you have to do is bolt on positive and negative terminals, and then you're good to go. And it's that easy. Now we can plug in our Anderson connector, and just like that, I can flip on the power switch, and you can see up here the light is on, that we're in inverter mode, and there will be power coming out of that GFI outlet on the side. And it's that simple. Once it's powered up, you can just plug in the cord, and then after a few seconds, it's going to switch over to inverter mode and start charging up this battery pack. Now I have the charge selector here on the top set to setting 1, which corresponds to Gel USA. And like you see right now, it just went into battery charging mode. It's charging right now. So I have it set in Gel USA because the absorption voltage is 14 volts and the float voltage is 13.7 volts, and those correspond the closest to the lithium iron phosphate of this BigBattery pack. And this is ready to go. You can use this in a few applications, whether that is backing up a computer or a refrigerator in case the power goes out. You have 1250 watts available for you to use, so it's real powerful. And I like it. It's literally the simplest inverter I've ever seen. So one of my favorites. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I know it's not much, but again, I like this thing because I can use it to back up my computer. Even though we're off the grid, we do occasionally have power outages, and there's nothing like having your work lost when the power goes out. Just wanted to share with you guys, so if you're interested in this little inverter, it's available on Amazon. It's both under the name Ames Power, but Renogy also makes one. And then this battery pack is from BigBattery.com. There will be a link in the description. And then the other thing is you can save 10% if you use the discount code that's down there in the description. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.